In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the dollar sign in Excel. If your worksheet is showing dollar signs next to numbers, that usually means those cells are formatted as currency, accounting, or a custom format that includes a dollar symbol. The fix is simple. Select the cells you want to clean up, then switch their number format to general. This keeps the numbers exactly the same, but removes the extra currency styling. Start by highlighting the cell that shows the dollar sign. You can click a single cell, drag to select a range, or click a column letter to select the whole column if every value there needs the same change. Take a second to verify that only the cells you intend to change are highlighted, especially if your sheet includes formulas or totals you do not want to reformat. With the cells selected, change the number format from Custom to General. On the Home tab, look for the number group. In the format box that might currently read Currency, Accounting, or Custom, open the drop-down and choose General. In many cases, the label will already say Custom because a template or prior setting embedded the dollar symbol. Switching that drop-down to General removes the special formatting and returns the cells to Excel's default display. If you prefer the Format Cells dialog, the same choice appears there. Pick General instead of Custom in the category list. As soon as you confirm, the dollar signs disappear and you are left with plain numbers. A few notes for clarity. This change does not alter the underlying values or formulas, so sums, averages, and charts continue to work as before. You may notice alignment shift from centered or indented to right aligned, which is normal for general format. If the numbers previously showed parentheses or special spacing, those were part of the accounting format and will also revert to standard minus signs and spacing under general. If a dollar sign was typed directly into the cell as text, rather than added by formatting, switching to general will not remove it, because Excel is displaying exactly what was typed. When you are satisfied with the result, repeat the same selection and format change for any other cells that still show a dollar sign. That is all it takes to remove currency symbols in a clean, reversible way. And remember, you can always switch back to currency later if needed, without losing any data.